Okay, welcome back to the channel. So every camera bag needs a kit bag, and this is the kit bag I'm talking about. So this is a TacticalGeek, as you can see by the branding on here, kit bag, and it's very handy, to be honest. It's got this really nice pull tag on it, and you have all over it this Velcro and various places you can attach gear. Got an expandable strap. You can fit other things on the side here. These are elasticated. On the back, you've got these hoops as well, so you can maybe put a torch or anything else from your gear on there. You do have a shoulder strap. There is a zip at the top. Inside is a nice sort of neon color. I've got a tether lock in here, which I use for my tether tools, tether cable. I use a Sony A7 IV for my still shoots, and then I use a Sony FX30 for my video shoots. So as you can imagine, there is a lot of extra gear I want to carry around, and this is perfect for that. So inside, I currently have one of these hoops, and if you don't know what this is, I suggest you go and research it, because these are incredibly handy. So when you are on a shoot, you can mount your camera on a K-clamp and put your camera inside it on the tripod. Incredibly handy, right? So I have that in there. Inside this bag, we've got this kind of ripstop fabric. Inside the bag, there's an additional sort of space, a little mesh pocket in there. And then there seems to be what I would say is probably a credit card pocket, but it has one of those lifters in there. So if you put something in, you can lift it up easily. Works quite well. Rubberized zip puller. In here, I've got various other accessories. And then you still have access to that same pocket on the side here. So that was our quick look at this TacticalGeek little gadget bag. Incredibly handy. It lives in my bag now all the time. Let me know in the comments below what you think. There is a discount code somewhere for this product and site-wide for TacticalGeek, so check that out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.